As the temperatures outside slowly start to fall, many of us will be heading indoors in search of heat. To ensure that you all enjoy your cozy environment safely, I'd like to make you all aware about the dangers of carbon monoxide poisoning. Carbon monoxide, written often as CO, is an odorless, colorless, and tasteless gas. These qualities allow it to be one of the most commonly inhaled poisons. When inhaled, carbon monoxide prevents the normal carrying of oxygen by the red blood cells, which is why prolonged exposure, even at low levels, can be very harmful. Common household appliances that may emit CO gas include but are not limited to faulty furnaces, generators, stoves, hot water heaters, and grills. These appliances tend to be used often around this time of year. So, to protect yourself from potential dangers of CO poisoning, listen up to the following safety tips. First, be sure to have CO detectors in your home. Battery-operated CO detectors should be installed in every level of your home near every sleeping area. If CO gas is detected, these devices will make a loud noise alerting occupants before the levels escalate to a dangerous level. Next, have a trained professional inspect, clean, and tune up your home's central heating systems annually. If your power goes out during one of these windy fall days and you own a portable generator, be sure to use it outdoors at least 20 feet away from your home. Remember, generators can produce CO, which may quickly accumulate in enclosed environments. It's also important to be able to identify CO poisoning. Common signs and symptoms of CO poisoning include headache, dizziness, difficulty breathing, nausea, and an altered mental status. If you suspect a carbon monoxide leak, get as far away from the area and call 911. Now that you're more aware of how to stay safe from CO poisoning, I wish you all a warm and safe autumn. Reporting from Safety Zone, I'm Crystal De La Rosa for Transit TV EMT.